the good, the bad, and the ugly of Forex trading. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading at the park again with Ruby and Jet. Just had a good run, good workout, blow off some steam. It's the end of the week. Today we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly of Forex trading, or any trading for that matter. So, where do you start? The good in trading is that obviously you take a position in the market, whether you know anything or not. I love what Mark Douglas says. You don't need to know anything about trading to make money. You can place a bet in the market and you can make money. Now, that's the good. The good, if you're profitable, you think that you actually know what you're doing. And of course, in my experience, it went downhill from there. My very first trade, I think I made about 30 points on the SPY, which at that time was $25 a point. And so I thought, you know, I'm on my way. And the good about trading is that the good and the bad and the ugly is that if you really want to learn something about yourself, you want to learn all the hidden passages and the dark secrets about yourself, start to trade. Like Peter Brandt talks about this, Ray Dalio, Mark Douglas, all the people who have been around the pits and blown themselves up. Trading will teach you more about yourself than anything else. All the things that I thought I wouldn't do, I've done. I thought I was very disciplined, but I didn't really understand what that concept of discipline meant. I thought that I had a system, an approach to the markets, but again, that revealed itself to me that I didn't really have a systematic daily routine whereby I could reproduce that on a daily basis and stick to a rules-based system and a simple rules-based system and just methodically go through that process. I was too attached to the outcomes, you know, to which led me to taking trades outside of my trading plan, over leveraging, averaging into losing trades, haphazardly entering into the market outside of, you know, the times or the time frames that I was tested my system on. You know, just haphazardly anger trading, revenge trading, all the things that losing traders do. And, you know, a lot of people have asked me, why did it take me so long to become consistent? And, you know, I think the biggest challenge for myself was that I was really focused on creating or developing something that was going to be consistent long-term regardless of the size of capital that I was trading, and something that I could reproduce on a daily basis or a weekly basis. Now, I talked about shifting to end of day. You know, I've come full circle from where I started to coming back to, you know, going through trading pretty much every type of trading I think there is, or quite a few anyways. And most of those do have some successful attributes to them. But I think that the major pitfall for most retail traders, especially if you're day trading, is that you yourself are the biggest enemy to your long-term success. And that's where the good, the bad, and the ugly will reveal itself. You're going to find out in a lot of cases that you know, there's going to be things that you'll do. You're going to blow yourself up potentially. You're going to have catastrophic losses maybe. You're going to violate every rule in the book that you think that you won't. And that's what the market will reveal to you. And, you know, for those of you that don't think that you'll be susceptible to that, you haven't been trading long enough, or your trading is sort of a hobby. It's more of an investing type of strategy, you know, buy and hold. All the great traders have blown themselves up at some point or made catastrophic errors. Now I talk about, you know, I still consistently make errors, but those errors that I'm trying to eliminate are based on my execution of my trading plan, not on, you know, emotion or money management, capital management. Number one thing that I just harness in on is preservation of trading capital. So regardless of how small you have to trade to do that, to hone in on the process and just, you know, monitor your expectancy, your edge, that's where you can become a master of your craft. And that's paramount, because the more you shift your mindset away from winning, making money, being right, attached to the outcomes of the trades, and just focus on the craft, mastering your craft, the process of trading and executing your trading plan, the more likely you're going to be consistent, the more likely you're going to be able to extract more from your winning trades and lose less on your losers. I talk about getting my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, bulletproofing your mindset, building the confidence and the discipline to master the markets. And that comes through arduous practice. It comes through studying other great traders. It comes through listening to interviews with other great traders, talking about their experiences, the mistakes that they've made, and understanding that you're not alone in this journey. Part of me doing the video blog and the blog is, number one, it shares my experiences with people, and number two, it really helps me on a daily basis keep focused on just constant progress. The daily routine is about covering areas that will help you improve. Where I talk about journaling, like the good, the bad, and the ugly. You need to be journaling and monitoring yourself. Like Mark Devine from SEALFIT, he talks about being the silent observer. So you need to be the trader, but you also need to be the person standing outside of yourself and observing your own behavior, observing your attention to detail with executing your trading plan, just your whole emotional state, your emotional orientation to the markets, your expectations with your trading, all the things that ultimately sometimes when, especially again as retail traders, we're locked in the headlights into our own journey of trying to just make as much money as we can, as fast as we can. And ultimately that can lead to us blowing up accounts. And I know I've done that. So the good, the bad, and the ugly. If you want to learn the good, the bad, and the ugly about yourself, keep trading. But if you can save yourself some time and do things right, simplify, I talk about reading Schaubacher, Edwards and McGee, Peter Brandt's books, Brent Penfold. There's a lot of really great sites out there. A lot of them I talk about in my blog. Daily mindset. Just keep filling your head with the right things. Keep yourself on track. Keep improving your trading skills. Simplify your trading system. Possibly move out to longer time frames. Step back from the shorter time frames. And keep getting better. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Keep working on them and trade smarter, trade bigger, trade better, and may the markets go with you. Have a great trading week. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.